Welcome back, grade 7th. Our first lesson was going on, and the heading is strange locks of hair. The students, you came to know the strange locks of hair. What does the heading stand for? And today we are going to consider third part, and today definitely we will end the story. The students, you came to know a boy. He was completely attracted with the beauty of the girl. The girl was landlord's daughter, and somehow he wanted to marry with her. And further, you will come to know about his condition and what is happening with him. Apart of that, actually, the girl, she was completely enchanted with the 3 goats he had. Finally, one by one, she had taken all, and she told the secret of her strands, and that means 3 hairs she had in her lock. And in such case, now it became very simple to the boy to answer the color of her hair. Now we are proceeding towards our story, and we will understand everything clearly. After a few months, the landlord intended to find suitable groom for his daughter. He announced that whoever would name the color of the 3 strands of the hair hidden among her black silken tress should have her for bride. What happened? Once his father made a swamber, and there he announced that there are 3 strange hairs in the lock of the girl. If anybody will give the correct answer, that means if anybody will tell the color of all 3 hidden hairs inside the lock, then the person will marry with the girl. Now, what is happening? Young men from the nearby villages came and tried their luck, but none could make the right guess. Nobody was knowing. Therefore, the person have come from different directions, but no one has given answer. Why? They were not knowing. And what was happening? They were going through a phrase by hook and fluke. That is all about they were making. They were not making exact guess, and there was one boy, Sam. He was doing everything because he came to know the secret with the girl. Now, Sam hesitated to go forward. He was a poor laborer. He loved the girl so much, but did she love him? Now he is thinking. He was facing hesitation, nervous. He was not daring to go there. Why? Because actually his background was from the very poor, and his background was belonging from the very poor stage. And after that, therefore he was not daring to go there. His appearance was completely savvy, poor appearance like. So what was happening? He was loving the girl very much, but he is thinking, I love her. It doesn't mean she is also loving me. And the landlord also would not like to have a poor son-in-law. And there will be no any father who will invite a poor son-in-law for him. Son-in-law is all about the husband of daughter. Daughter's husband considered son-in-law. Now what is happening? One day he met a handsome and very gaily dressed young man on the main road. The young man could not guess the right color of the strands. Students, here gaily means rich. Here what is happening? One day he saw a person was returning back from the landlord's home. He was also tried his luck there, but he got failed. He didn't answer the strange, that means the color of hairs. He now what is happening? What he's seeing the person. He was very handsome and his dress that his appearance was completely rich. Now what is happening? The young man could not guess. Now he was coming back because he didn't give answer. He also had gone there in the means of trying his luck, but got unsuccess. Sam requested him to borrow his dress for one day to try his luck. Now what is happening? He now had gone there and pleading with him, "Bhai, give me your dress, because I also want to try my luck there." So what is happening? We'll know further. Is the boy giving or not? Sad, but the kind young man agreed just for the sake of the curiousness. Okay, next one is sad, but the kind young man agreed just for the sake of the curiousness. The hall of the landlord was crowded with the number of the suitors. Suitor is all about a person who has gone there in the means of trying his luck for getting bride. To guess the color of the strange, nobody recognized Sam in the new dress, neither the landlord nor his daughter. What is happening? Now, the boy has given now he has also gone there. Now what is happening in the crowd? No one identify the boy that the boy is Sam, because right now he is looking like completely different. He is looking like a rich boy. Now, as the last young man, Sam said, the color of one string is pure white, the color of the diamond, one dark, the color of ruby, one bright green, the color of emerald. What is happening now? Now everybody has given answer. No one got success. Now one and only person left, that was Sam. Now it is the time of Sam. Sam is going there and Sam has given answer of all secret. He is telling in the log there is a hair that looks exactly white like the diamond. Second is dark red like ruby, and third is green like emerald. That is the right answer, exclaimed the landlord. Sam took off his headdress. Now the king exclaimed with joy. Now he has exposed his happiness because someone has given right answer, and now his daughter will go for marriage with the boy. When Sam has took off his original head cloth from here you can consider the turban or any means covering head. When he is putting off, taking off is all about putting off, remove, hatana. Now the landlord recognized Sam. अब तो उसको now landlord completely know, yes sir, this is Sam. Sam, you are my servant. He asked, how you came to know the secret, Sam? How you knew this? Nobody had answered, but you did. Sam narrated is told the story of the goat and secret of the gold ring. He had told everything, the mystery behind. The girl was very keen to take the goats because she wanted to make goat dance and she wanted to enjoy the dancing of the goats. And in meantime, what happened? The boy, he was very cunning enough. He had taken the golden ring and knew all the secret. That was set for the marriage of the girl. Now, the landlord said to his daughter, you have given him the ring and told him the secret. You should accept him as your groom. Groom is all about here bride's husband or a marrying boy. A marrying boy is groom and marrying girl is bride. Here what is happening? his father has told everything. No, definitely as per the rule, you yourself had done. Therefore, you definitely have to accept the boy as your groom. So what is happening? See, the girl nodded. That is, she is giving her indication in affirmative like this. Yes, okay, I have to do. Okay, dear students, the story narrates a event of good luck when God gives, He gives as a huge windfall. Here, what event is all about? Coming. Word advent, A-D-V-E-N-T, that means coming. Line tells that when God gives anyone, it gives in large amount. That means all about, you can consider in Hindi, you know, chappar pharke, same situation is happening here. When God gives someone anything, it gives in huge amount. That means in deluge. Okay, dear student, in such way we have completed a story, and you must remember the words and go with the questions and grammar corners you have need to do. And if there will be any lacking, I am here to solve. Thank you.